A lot of African couples don't stop being intimate because they don't love each other anymore. They stop because of culture, pressure, silence, and unspoken expectations. Most African couples grew up in homes where intimacy was never discussed. No one explained emotions, attraction, connection, or even how to communicate needs. So when they marry, they enter the relationship emotionally unprepared. African men often carry the pressure of being the provider. Work stress, expectations, and financial weight kill desire. And because men are taught to hide emotions, they disconnect in silence, and intimacy fades. African wives carry the home, the cooking, cleaning, childcare, and emotional management. When she feels unsupported or overwhelmed, her intimacy energy collapses, not because she doesn't love him, but because she's exhausted. When the man shuts down emotionally and the woman shuts down physically, both feel rejected. No one says anything. Cultural silence replaces vulnerability. Distance replaces connection. But intimacy can be rebuilt. 1. Talk about needs openly. 2. Share emotional burdens. 3. Divide responsibilities fairly. 4. Show affection outside the bedroom. 5. Heal cultural shame through learning. Intimacy grows where communication is safe. If you want to understand intimacy from an African diaspora perspective, subscribe. Let's unlearn. Let's heal. Let's reconnect.